Welcome. If you're looking to export all voice messages from a Telegram bot on your PC using the latest update, you're in the right place. In just a few simple steps, you'll have all your voice messages saved to your computer for easy access and backup. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're using the desktop version, as this feature is not available on mobile devices. Once Telegram is open, head over to the chat list and find the bot whose voice messages you want to export. Click on the bot's name to open the chat. Now, look at the top of the window and click on the bot's name again. This will bring up the contact info panel. Here, you'll see more details about the bot and some extra options. Next, look for the three dots in the upper right corner of the contact info panel. Click on these three dots to open a drop-down menu. In this menu, select Export Chat History. This is the tool that allows you to save your conversations and media, including voice messages, directly to your PC. A new window will pop up with a list of export options. You'll see checkboxes for different types of content, such as text messages, photos, videos, and more. To focus on voice messages, check the box labeled Voice Messages. You can also adjust other settings here, like the export format or the date range, but for now, let's keep it simple. Once you've selected Voice Messages, scroll down and click the Export button. Telegram will start gathering all the voice messages from your conversation with the bot. Depending on how many messages there are, this process may take a few moments. When the export is complete, Telegram will save the files to a folder on your computer. You can now open this folder and find all your voice messages neatly organized and ready to use. And that's it. With these easy steps, you can export all voice messages from any bot on Telegram using your PC. Whether you need them for backup, reference, or sharing, you now have full control over your audio data. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your exported voice messages.